Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title above, today's video is going to be some project shares. I have been playing around with some files and of course created some cute stuff to share with you guys. And let me tell you guys, these were super fun to make. I am going to link down below to the best of my abilities the files that I used, because for some reason in the Silouette Design Store I can't get the exact link. I don't know if it's because I'm a subscriber. I don't know. I try to find it somewhere else so you guys can know and just type it in on the search bar in the design store. But that's the struggle that I have. It doesn't let me give you guys an actual link because the page that I'm looking at is my subscriber page. I guess that's why, but I try to the best of my abilities to share with you guys the link, and also keep in mind that I resize everything, so nothing is the exact shape. I like to make things smaller, so everything, the files that I share with you guys are smaller in size because I do size everything up. But you guys, I made these super cute little pizza boxes. How adorable is this? This is my hand and this is the pizza box. Usually the ones that I've seen around are kind of like maybe 5 inches. This one is about 3 inches. About three and 3.5 inches. So cute. I am obsessed. I used the Sunny Days paper, and these little flowers were sent to me in some Happy Mail in my challenge entry. And I think they turned out adorable, you guys. Look how cute. I used some little trim here, and the word stickers are from Chasing Dreams. But you guys, you can put like little goodies in here and send it to a pen pal. So cute. The pink paper is from the solid paper pads from Michaels. You guys, so cute. Here's the other one I made. Also using these embellishments that were sent to me. I am obsessed. She sent me, her name is Tay. She sent me an embellishment box filled with all these pretty flowers and little rosettes, and I've been using them like crazy. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. I did stitch around the top and the back. So I did that with the little pieces that because you get the actual box and the file, and then you get the little pieces, the add-ons. So I stitched all the way around the little add-ons. As you can see, the details, guys, the details. Look at that. And then I did a little bit of ink edging just right here where it says, well, hello there. So cute. Fill it up and send it to a pen pal. Isn't that cute? So those are the first 2 little projects I wanted to share with you guys. I also made this super cute little treat box. It's a shaker in the back, and it has this super cute little bunny. Oh, I hate when it has like the little stringies from the glue. Look at that, you guys. I'll have this link down below. The only thing I did wrong with this is, you guys, sometimes I forget to change my lines to the little dotted lines. So in this one I left it cut, and it kind of made these big strips, which I'm not too happy with, but this is mine. It's not going anywhere, so it's just my first trial. But the next time I make it, I'm going to do the little dotted scoring lines instead of these, because these cut sometimes right through. But isn't it adorable, you guys? And I love the little shaker. And this one too, you can open it, but I glued mine because it's just going to be like a little display, but you can open up the box and fill it up with goodies for your pen pals. Look at the little bunny. Adorable. And then the last 2, and the papers that I used here is the Sunny Days, but the 12 by 12, because the smaller paper pad doesn't come with that watermelon paper. So it's not the 6 by 8, it's actually the 12 by 12. And then the last 2 are these cute little shopping bags. Also using the Sunny Days collection. I put some tissue paper in just to make it look super cute. The tassels are from Cute Girl crepe paper. The little thickers are from Chasing Dreams. And I stitched all the way around the little pieces that get added onto the bag. And you see, this is the scoring line that I meant to put on this box, but I forgot to switch it over. And here's the other one. This one just has like a little sticker, a little chipboard sticker that says memories, 2 little hearts, and another one of those little tassels. So cute, you guys. So those are the little projects that I have created throughout this weekend. When I'm off, you guys know that I create a bunch of little stuff to share with you guys throughout the week. But that is it for my video today. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.